Hello there everyone, welcome back. It's Carol here. I just wanted to share a little bit of a haul of things that I've purchased. Now I've seen loads of my American friends on YouTube ordering from Temu, if that's how you say it, T-E-M-U, and I had to go at trying to order it, but it was like, no, this is American and we're not sending it to the UK. Anyway, needless to say, they have now opened up the UK version of Temu, so I decided it was best to try and order a few things and just see how it went. The thing that I liked most about it was that it arrived so quickly. So I've placed 2 orders now, and this was part of the first order. And it come to a total of about £41. It should have been, this is some of it, not all of it. It should have been something like £80 or £90. And it come to £41, but it came within 14 days. Now my second order came within 9 days, which is much better than the AliExpress of, you know, having to wait a month. Or a little bit more sometimes for the goodies to arrive. So I thought I would come on and share with you some of the purchases that I've made. As I say, this isn't the complete order that I placed because some of the stuff was personal. So I'm just going to go through the crafting stuff with you, and we'll start with the biggest and work our way down to the smallest. So I ordered some stencils, as you can see. Now, I can't remember each individual price, but as I say, it totaled £41, and there was quite a bit more that I got as well. So this was a pack of stencils that I got, sort of background stencils. So that's one. That's the second one. So it's like wood grain. There's another one. Haven't tried any of these out yet. Spider's web one. If you can hear that music in the background, that's the ice cream van. That's another wood grain one. Don't know what you call that one. A bit spirally. This one sort of looks like crackled glazing. And then there's this square one, so I want to have a play with those at some point. So there's quite a few stencils within that pack, so that was good buy. Next one was this one, which was a pack of papers. I tried to get sort of a little bit of everything, different sort of types of things, so that I could see what the quality was like. So there's 2 sheets of each paper in this pack. So that's 2, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and that was the backboard. So there's 30 sheets in there, and I thought that these would be great for doing sort of collage work. So yeah, liked those. Oh, and the back of them is sort of an off-white. Ice cream van again. So that was them. Then let's do these 2. So these were pre-die cuts, and in this one it has a series of doilies, because I know that you can get the doily dies, but they can be quite fiddly to cut out. Let me just get a coloured piece of paper to put behind them so that you can see them a bit better. There we go. That's better, isn't it? You can see them a bit better now. So there's quite a few in this one as well. Really lovely colours. So these were creams. These were sort of a light tea dye colour. So there's those 6. And it would take me ages to die cut those. And then, you know, have to poke out all the extra little bits. So there's the last of the cream ones, and then there's some green, like a sagey green. But yeah, thought those were really pretty. If I bring them up, and really well die cut out as well, you know. So I quite liked those. So that's with them. And then these were die cut shapes. And they come in a little vellum envelope. So there's some flutterbys. Varying shapes and sizes. And let me move the butterflies out of the way. Sorry about that. I had a call coming in and it disconnected me videoing. So these are some leaves. I mean, that one's fab. I love that one. So those will be great for autumn. The thing is, you have to be so delicate with them. And I can use them as stencils as well. I mean, they won't last very long as stencils because obviously they're only made with paper. But I could still use them for spraying over the top of them. What's next? So I got these pens. Now I like the Frixion pens, you know, the ones that you can write with and then rub out. And it said that this is, I've not tried it, it says that this is the same. So I got the green. You get a different variety of colours to choose from for the casing. I chose the green. Then you get 1, 2, 3, 4 spares. So let's just try it. Oh, no, I tell a lie. These weren't the Frixion pens. I'd forgotten all about this. This has got a really fine blade on it. I'd forgotten about this. So, as I say, I haven't tried any of these things. So, we'll soon see if it works. Ooh, might need a little bit of practice, but not far off, look. Let me just do that bit again. Yeah, that works well enough. Ooh, might have a little play with these later on. Yeah, so it's got the blade in the pen, and then it's obviously got 4 extra blades as well for when this one goes blunt. Oh, I'm excited about that now. I thought that they were pens. Not so exciting as pens, are they? But there you go. And then I also got these, which are lace stickers. Now, I was a little bit disappointed in these because I thought that they were going to be a little bit bigger. But, you know, you can't complain when something's like 89p, can you? Or whatever it was. So these are on a shiny plastic. Must be 2 of each one, and then you peel the backing off, I'm guessing, seeing as it's a sticker. And again, you can see, look, lots of variations to play with. That's that one. And then there's all these as well. So there's quite a few in the pack. I'll give you a close-up. Hopefully you can see those because the sun's just come out. And then, as I say, there's all these as well that I've got in my hand. So there's quite a few in there. Oh, it just keeps going on and on. There we go. So those are the others. Sun. Pretty. Can't wait to have a little play with those. Be interesting to see how I'm going to use them, because with them being that shiny plastic, I'm wondering what I'll be able to write on them with. But there's no reason why I can't, say like this one here, I could cut it away, especially now I've got that little pen. So that was those. I also purchased, because as I say, I wanted to try a variety of different things just to see what it was like, and I got some paper trimmer blades. Now I don't know if these are going to fit my paper trimmer, so I'll get it out and we'll give it a go. I mean, again, if they're the wrong size and they don't work, I haven't lost much because it was like something like £1. Now I'm guessing that that comes off. Oh, maybe it slides off. No. Oh, there's a little clippy bit there and there. Oh, heck. I'll be back in a minute once I've unravelled it. Okay, I sussed it out. Took a little while. So I took it off because it's clipped at each end, and there's a couple of springs inside, and I was a bit like, oh, don't think I'm supposed to take that off. And that's because basically this, when it's being used, you push on it, which then reveals the blade. But unfortunately, it does not fit in my paper trimmer. But no. So that was a bit of a waste of money. They didn't work. Hey ho, it was only £1 something, so I'm not going to cry over those not working. But at least now I know not to purchase those again, and I can have a look for something else. Now the other thing that I got, and I'm going to need this piece of paper, and also my cup, and I want a bit of water in there. Because I got some watercolor paints, and I haven't even looked at these yet, so I don't even know what the colours look like. Okay, so there's a little card in there so that I can put a swatch of each of the colours on there so I know what they look like. But there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 3, 6, 18, 4 6s are 24. So there's 24 pans in there. And this was the antique metallic paints, if I remember rightly. So I could just spray some water on top of there. Let's just try that. And ooh, eeny meeny miny mo, which paint should I go? Let's do this blue because it's nearest. It picks up a fair bit of paint on the brush. yeah, I would imagine that, you know, if that's a little bit wetter. Oh, nice colour. Now these were slightly more expensive. I can't remember now whether they were something like £7 something or £12 something. I think that they were maybe a £7 something. Yeah, that works really quite well. Oh, so I'll be having a little play with those later on as well. So, all in all, I was really pleased with my purchases. It was good value for money, and it came really quickly. The only downside that I would say is that you do get a lot of emails from them and messages from them, because there's all sorts of different coupons and things and discounts that you can, discount codes that you can use to be able to get more from your purchase. So get them from over there. But all in all, the service was good. I paid via PayPal, so at least if it all went a bit peak-tong, then I was going to be covered by PayPal's insurance thing that they do. But yeah, I was quite pleased with all these goodies. And then, as I say, I also got some personal stuff as well to try out. So thumbs up from me. And yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Gonna have a little play tonight now. Okay, I'm off again. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you all again really soon. Bye for now. Bye.